How to sign a PDF document. Here's the document. It is being opened using, here at the menu, help, about Adobe Acrobat Pro. So it's Adobe Acrobat, the Pro version. Okay, down here we have fill and sign at all tools, because we have edit, convert, e-sign. So on all tools, fill and sign, I already added a signature there. We can even delete that one, remove. So here we have add signature. Go to image, browse to the folder where you store your signature. Let's choose that one. Open, apply, and now the signature is attached to my cursor. Now just place it, let's say there, to the lower right corner. Menu and save, and we can close it. Now if I open it once again, the signature is already there.